Welcome to Northwest Best, brought to you by Smart Service Subaru. Here's your host, Mike Halsey.
Welcome to Northwest Best Real Estate. We're back with Marty Rood, Mr99. Tell me, why is it people like to come to you to buy, sell, or lease commercial real estate?
Because so many people know us in the marketplace. Great people like James Baker at Seattle Boat Company.
I've known Marty for 20 years. You will not find a more ethical, knowledgeable, and results-driven individual.
So if you're looking to buy, sell, or lease commercial property, give me a call today.
And we'll see you again.